What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my fall cookie kits. Fall is on its way, which means cookie season for the Station Bakery is in full effect. I am really looking forward to the season and really hoping for a change. If you're with me, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on that notification. I'm using my marble rolling pin to roll out and flatten my chilled dough. And then I'm going to go over it with a guided rolling pin just to make sure that it is even all the way across. You don't want lopsided cookies. So for this fall decorating kit, I am using 2 different pumpkin cookie cutters and then 2 fall leaf cookie cutters. You guys know that I always love to say that I am here to inspire you and that you can do whatever you want. Use any cookie cutter that you choose. Whatever you think will be nice and lovely for your customers, go for it. Because of the dough that I use, I do not need to chill my cookies. So I'm just going to pop them in the oven and let them cook. Now I'm rolling out some more dough and I'm going to use these cute cookie cutters that I won in a giveaway by Sweets by Mariella. And these cookie cutters are from Sweet Sugar Belle, I believe. I'll have both of these linked in the description below for you to check out. But I just love these cute cookie cutters. They came just in time and worked so perfectly with my cookie kits. I pop them in the oven, and while they're baking, I get started on my royal icing. Here I am using a pre-mixed royal icing mix, and I just followed the instructions on the back on how to make it. Then I added in my food colorings to make it the colors that I wanted. I will have the royal icing mixed linked in the description below for you, and I'm using a combination of different brands of food coloring, but I will have my main food coloring brand linked in the description for you as well. Now I'm bagging up my royal icing in regular piping bags. You know where you can find them. And then I'm going to tie the tops off in a knot. These will serve as the icing for the cookies that will go inside of the kits. I do a combination of 3 colors. Sometimes I do 4. It's really up to you on how many colors you want to offer. Once my icing is bagged up, I then get started on my sprinkles. I just use a combination of different sprinkles that I already have just to create my own custom mixes. I do 1 to 2 bags of sprinkles. My cookies are baked and ready to go, so now it's time to package them up. Now here we have multiple packaging options. You can use this small brown 4-pack cupcake box, and this will fit about 4 to 5 cookies with a couple of bags of icing and sprinkles inside of it. Another option is a foil pan. This pan will fit 12 or more cookies as well as a few bags of icing and sprinkles inside of it. And my last option is the packaging that I use for my stuffed waffle cones. This packaging is perfect for 4 to 6 and even 12 cookies can fit inside of here. And this is the option that I'm going to go with this season. So here I have a cellophane bag that I'm going to load up my cookies. Be very gentle when putting your cookies inside of the bags to make sure that you don't break them or place them in a position where it will be easy for them to break. I'm using a very large cellophane bag to package my cookies, but feel free to use smaller bags. Make each cookie in an individual bag. Whatever you have, whatever you're comfortable with, go for it. This is just how I like to do mine. If you're interested in these bags, they will be linked in the description below. So once we have them all bagged up, I am then going to roll them up and seal them off. If you have a heat sealer, you can use that and it's an amazing option. I, however, do not have a heat sealer and I don't really want to invest in one. So here I am just rolling up the cellophane bag, making sure to get all of the extra air out. And then I fold it over and then roll it all the way up. And then I top it off with a beautiful The Station Bakery sticker. If you're wondering where I got my stickers made, I got them from Mi Casa using Mi Cricut. Okay, so yes, I made these stickers myself using my Cricut machine. So if you have one, this is a great option for you. I will link the sticker paper in the description below. But if you don't have a Cricut yet and you've been wondering what are some things that I can do, ta-da, custom made stickers and labels. So now that my cookies are wrapped and packaged, as well as my royal icing and sprinkles, it's time to fill my packaging. And y'all, let me just say, like, these items fit so perfectly inside of this packaging. Like, I just love the versatility of it. Not only does it look nice, feel nice, it's reusable, but it also is a meal prep container, which means that your cookies and frosting is going to remain fresh. Now, just a quick note, I usually do buttercream frosting, but I went ahead and gave royal icing a try, and I think this is what I'm going to use this season. Also note that you need to add in toothpicks. And to finish off our cookie kits, I am adding another sticker from Mi Casa with the instructions on how to complete the cookie kit. Now this cookie kit is ready to go. If you've been inspired to get started on your fall themed cookie kits, tag me in your creations at The Station Bakery on Instagram. Like, subscribe, and share this to all of your friends. As always, until next time, peace. Hey, make sure you check out these videos next.